Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your SIM and carrier voicemail are active. This is essential because the phone routes messages through the network. Once done, power and network must be stable, so charge the device and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu. Choose Settings, then Voicemail. You do this first because the system-level settings enable the voicemail number and notifications needed for the rest of the setup. Now you configure the voicemail number and options. If the carrier didn't autofill the voicemail number, enter it manually to ensure calls forward correctly. Make sure visual voicemail is enabled when available and grant microphone, storage, and phone permissions. This lets your phone download and show messages. Then record a short greeting and choose or set a PIN for security. These steps matter because without correct number, permissions, or greeting, messages won't be delivered, shown. Finish by verifying everything. Call your Redmi from another phone and leave a test voicemail. This proves call forwarding and the greeting work. Then open the voicemail inbox in the phone app and play the message to check audio and transcription if available. If you don't receive messages, restart the phone and re-enter the voicemail number. Make sure call forwarding is active. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Often the issue is a network setting they must enable on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.